leaking by. See that red gasket down there? That's the problem. That's what it looks like. It's a Mansfield. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. Put a new one in there. I'll show you how it's done. It's not that big of a deal. This one screws. And this will come right out. There's two kinds of Mansfield. There's one like that, and there's another one that wraps around. This is the one for this one. It's like I'm gonna wrap it and gotta get inside that. It's like a joint in there. And you spin it. See how you spin it? That's what you want to be able to do, spin it. Right. Put this down, I'm going to put the handle in as you come down. And this screws back on the top. This goes in there, and then the handle. That should do it. I gotta tighten that up now, man. She's a dripper. Might have to put a new one on there if she's going to be dripping. I don't want it dripping. Can't have it leaking, that's for sure. That's better. Sometimes you can just spin them down on the bottom and you get more life out of them, but see how it's starting to go cattywampus on me? This is going south on her. Everything sags when you get older. You know what happened? As you get older, everything sags. Know what I'm saying? You okay?
I'm sorry, I can't go fast.
You get dizzy, huh?
I've got trouble with my legs lately.
Oh. All right, got that fixed. You said the tub was going slow too?
What did you say, sir?
I said I changed the gasket. The gasket, as it was starting to get older, as I get older, it starts to sag, you know?
Well, it was something about it.
I put a new gasket in there, you know?
I know it's a gasket. I used to work with those at the process.
Yeah, so we got that fixed.
That's what I needed. Now it's not going to make a sound, and
No,
Joe could hear it.
You said the tub.
I couldn't hear it anymore.
You said the tub's draining slow. As long as it takes it with the shower, that's all we could do. Let's see what happens with the shower.
Was to get it all fixed up while you're here.
Yeah, why not, right? She's got it on. We'll see if it backs up with the shower. Ooh. It's spraying all over the place. Quite the head you got there.
Yeah. Really quick.
I gotta put this down. Alright, let's see, ma'am. Madam, let me do my job.
Oh, okay.
Let me do my job. Alright, that's better.
Okay.
I want to see if it backs up with the shower.
Yeah. Well, like I say, my feet don't be good. And,
Long as it's taking it with the shower, it don't back up with the shower, I can't do anything else with that. That's the best we're gonna get it.
it's not the shower, it's the tubs for the, water to go down. It doesn't seem to... You got it wet, huh?
I got it wet, yeah.
It's alright.
Just trying to dry this floor up. It's all wet over here.
Yeah. Oh, don't worry about it. It's only water, right?
Oh, it's taking it. It's taking it going down with the shower. You're not gonna get any better than that with the drain.
Let me see. You don't think it was a drain?
Oh, you see it, I got the shower running. Go see the drain's not backing up. Go take a look.
It doesn't back up, it just doesn't go down.
It's going down now. If that drain was backed up, when it was running the shower, it would back up with the shower.
Yeah, but when the shower is off and you're out of the tub and you want to let the water out, that's when it doesn't go down. But I guess it's going down now, huh?
It's going down now. I mean, I can't get it any better than that, taking it with a shower.
No, it's all right.
I'm just letting you know. That's why I check.
You're the plumber, you know.
That's why I check it, you know?
Yeah.
If it backs up with a shower, then I gotta clear it. But when you fill it with the tub, it's gonna go down slow because it's full of water. You see it's not backing up, it's draining it, it's taking it with the shower.
Isn't that a backed up? It's just that after I have my shower, it seems that the water doesn't go down, out. But
Well, it's going down now.
yeah, it has something to do with the shower?
No, it's taking it. I've been running it for 5 minutes. Watch out, you're gonna spill water all over. You better get out of here. You're gonna make a mess. You're gonna make a mess here.
That we don't want to do.
Yeah, it's taking it. I mean, I can't get any better than that. That's it.
And it was all to do with the shower. I'll be done.